it's Kevin with K-Square Fitness. Today we'll be breaking down the slow mountain climber. Alright guys, so key points of performance. This exercise is awesome for your obliques. The slow mountain climber, not to be confused with these guys, the standard mountain climber. I'm trying to get you to slow down. I'm trying to get you to engage your obliques. But I want to start with a few basic things first. Your hand placement and what your torso should be doing from your rib cage. So hand placement first, you should be shoulders directly over your wrist, and then you should always be intentionally screwing your hands into the ground like this here. If you notice what that does to my shoulders up top, it pulls it down, it gets my lats into a strong position to where they're engaged, and it takes the pressure off my shoulders crashing forward. So shoulders over wrist, lock this in tight. Next thing I want you to think about is tucking and rolling your pelvis here. You can see my abs engaged now. This is relaxed. This is bad. I want you to intentionally tuck and round out your pelvis. That's the exact same position I always talk about when we're doing hollow bodies here. Pelvis is rounded, my ribs are down. That movement should carry over into almost all of the exercises. So to get into it, hands over shoulders, you got the pelvis tucked down. Another trick, if you lock your heels together, this helps you turn on your glutes. And then I want you to take your knee, not here, but shift forward and touch your tricep. Every time, relocking the pelvis, tuck the pelvis. The tendency is going to be to not shift forward and to maybe say, okay, I got strength to get here. Shift forward past your wrist, get that lean, work your shoulders, challenge yourself to get your knee to your tricep, retuck your pelvis. That's the slow mountain climber. Get after it.